Hello students, today we are going to see about the Constitution of India, a small introduction about the Constitution of India. In last class we seen about timeline and I asked to write the prepare one of the timeline related to the our natural national symbols. Is it or not? I hope you're all done that. I think so. So today we're going to see about the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India related to this we have the lesson in our book actually based on this term. So we can see the introduction. Already you have some of the knowledge about the constitution, I think so, because last time also I taught something about this. Today also I going to give some intro. The same you have the lesson also. Okay, it's a very important thing because it's a basic knowledge of our society. So it's needed. So just learn about the Constitution of India. So some of the introduction. In 1946, nearly 389 members came together to frame the Constitution of India. So why sir 1946 means? In 1947 we got the freedom. Is it or not? Independent. August 15, 1947. So before getting that, the British government are ready to give the freedom, but what they asked means just be ready with the doing administration of your country. So rules and regulations and everything. So we need the administration status, no? So based on that, our leaders, our freedom fighters are decided to prepare a constitution. Based on that, in 1946, nearly 389 members came together to frame the Constitution of India, and they are all belongs to different political parties. They all belongs to different political parties. Okay, the committee met for the first on 9th December 1946. The first meeting of the Constitution Assembly. Yes, it's happened on 9th December 1946 actually. Okay, on the same day, the drafting of the Constitution of India started. Drafting means what? Writing the Constitution. That's the drafting. Who is a leader for the drafting committee? Head of the drafting committee, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We see most of the time. Is it or not? Okay. Next one. The constitutions of nearly 60 countries were thoroughly examined, and the best features have been adopted to our constitution. So we prepare the constitution. No, actually, how many countries? From how many countries we taken the constitution? We taken the constitution which they are all using means near to 60 countries. How many countries? Near to 60 countries we examined, and in that we taken the best features. Okay, in that we taken the best features and have been adopted. Okay, then it took period of 2 years. How much period it's taken means 2 years, 11 months, 17 days it's taken. How many days? What is the period of the preparing constitution? 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Okay, how much spent means how much amount they spent means 64 lakhs. And finally it was completed in 26 November 1949. But from 26 January 1950 only it came to effect. So between near to 2 months they corrected the constitution actually. Near to 2000 corrections they made after the 26 November 1949, and finally it came to effect in 26 January 1950. Okay. So this is all the small introduction of the Constitution of India. Okay. Next, some of the important concepts in the Constitution means democracy. Based on the democracy only, our Constitution was prepared and our governments are running actually. Okay. So the type of government, it's one of the type of, near to 7 type of government is there. Each and every country they are following different kinds of government. We are all following the democracy and the republic. Both the concepts, it's included only our Indian government and Indian constitution. Okay, the type of government in which representatives are elected by the people of that country. So the leaders is there, no representatives like a MLA or MP or maybe a prime minister, whoever may be. That persons are selecting by people only. Is it or not? And he is also one of the citizen of our country. So based on that only we are selecting the representatives. Is it or not? Yes. That kind of government will be called as a democracy. Then drafting committee. Already we said for preparing the constitution, one of the committee will be there. That writing committee. That committee will be called as a drafting committee. The committee set up to prepare the draft of the constitution. Okay. Yes. Preamble. Preamble means introduction. The first page of the constitution will be called as a preamble, an introduction to a book or a written document. It's one of the introduction for written document, whatever it may be. So here for the constitution we have the introduction page that will be called as a preamble. Okay, in that only we have the important word actually, secular, socialist. These are all the things is there. Okay. Secular means the state which does not discriminate anyone based on religious ground. We should not discriminate whoever may be. As an Indian citizen, he having all the rights as per our rules and regulations. Okay, that is a secular. He belongs to whatever it may be religion. He belongs to whatever it may be the what is that? Race or maybe a community, whatever it may be. It should not be considered in front of the constitution. Okay, all are equal. So these are all the very important concepts in the constitution. Next one, and some of the fundamentals, article 14 to 18. 14 to 18, we have near to 448 articles up to today. 448 articles. Okay, so based on that, right to equality, 14 to 18, right to freedom, 19 to 22, right against the exploitation, 23 to 24, right to freedom of religion, article 25 to 28, cultural and educational rights, article 29 to 30, right to constitutional remedies. We can make it changes. We have the right actually, or the parliament introduce any article means we can ask question against that. We have the right. Okay, so based on article 32. Okay, so these are all the concepts we seen today. When we are seeing the lesson about the constitution, we can see more data related to the constitution. Okay, so based on this, we have the homework. So finish it on time and send it on time. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.